Have you ever stumbled upon a tool that completely changed your approach to your work and even your business? That's exactly what happened to me with Asana. I didn't plan on specializing in it or offering it as a service, but here I am, years later, running a business centered around systems and organization and with a focus on Asana. So in today's video, I'm sharing my personal timeline with Asana, from how I first discovered it by chance to how it grew into a passion and eventually a cornerstone of my business. Hi, I'm Samantha, here to help you organize and streamline your business operations so that you can save time and mental energy and focus on what you love to do. Okay, let's dive into my Asana timeline. How it started, how it grew, and how it shaped my business today. Okay, so let's rewind to when I first discovered Asana. At the time, I was using Trello, mostly to plan content for my business. I wasn't looking for a project management system, just a simple way to stay organized. And one day, I saw a coach I admired talking about Asana in her Instagram stories. She shared a glimpse of her workspace, and it looked so streamlined and, well, pretty. Curious, I Googled it and signed up for a free account. So I'll be honest, at first I was a bit overwhelmed. Asana had so many features compared to Trello and so many ways to do things, but something about it just clicked. I started experimenting with it for my content planning, and it wasn't long before I realized its potential. But here's the thing, I was a complete beginner. I didn't have experience in systems or project management at the time, and I made a lot of mistakes. There were times when I felt like giving up because it seemed too complicated. And being a bit of a perfectionist and a lot of an overthinker, I struggled with trying to figure out the best ways to lay everything out so that it would work well for me. But I still went for it, I stumbled through it, and I set up more and more until it took on a life of its own. It evolved into this complete central hub where I have streamlined every aspect of my business. So in the beginning, my Asana workspace was pretty basic. I created a board for my content calendar with columns like ideas, drafts, and published. I also loved using the calendar view to see all my posts laid out with their scheduled dates. That's something that really drew me to Asana. It was functional, but nothing fancy. Then, as I got more comfortable, I started exploring features like tags and recurring tasks. And the more I used it, the more I saw how it could transform not just my content planning, but other areas of my business too. So around this time, I started working as a virtual assistant, and I quickly realized how helpful Asana was for delegating tasks and collaborating with my clients. I'd set up boards for their projects, and they loved how easy it was to see everything in one place. But let me tell you, it was not an overnight transformation. It took months of trial and error to figure out what worked best for me. I spent hours tweaking my boards, trying out features, and sometimes getting it completely wrong before I got it right. And it's taken years of continuous auditing to get to the point I am with my systems right now. So do you remember the first tool or system that made you think, wow, this changes everything? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about what tools you love too. Okay, so as I worked with more clients, I started recommending Asana to them. It wasn't part of my service offerings at the time, but I just couldn't help myself. I'd show them how to set up boards, organize their tasks, and streamline their workflows, and the feedback was incredible. Clients would say how much more in control they felt, how grateful they were to feel this stress relief, and how big the shifts were in their business foundation. Seeing their reactions lit a spark in me. That's when I realized I was good at this. And not just using Asana, but helping others use it effectively in their businesses too. And here's what I want you to know. I wasn't born with this skill. It developed over time with lots of practice, learning, and even some frustration along the way. If you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed, trust me, I've been there too. If you have 0 systems in place and maybe you're running everything out of your email inbox, you can reduce the chaos by starting small. Start by setting up a simple Asana workflow for tracking your client projects. This can lead to a complete transformation on how you work. Okay, so as my confidence grew, I started offering Asana setups as part of my services. I'd work with clients to create systems and processes tailored to their businesses. Content calendars, client onboarding workflows, you name it. I love seeing the transformation that comes from a well-organized system. Alongside this, I continued refining my own workspace in Asana. So everything I learn something new, I apply it to both my business and my clients' setups. It's been a constant cycle of growth and improvement. And here's the thing, I'm still learning. Even now, I come across features or strategies I hadn't thought of before. The journey never really ends, and that's what makes it so exciting. So at some point it hit me. This wasn't just a helpful tool or a side service, it was a passion. I loved creating systems, solving problems, and making life easier for my clients. So that's when I decided to make Asana a core part of my business. I created dedicated service like Asana VIP Setup and digital products like Asana Essentials, where I help business owners transform the way they work through simple systems in Asana. If you're ready to streamline your business and save hours every week with your custom setup, I would love to help you too. You can head to samanthakasbrick.com/VIP to get started. I will leave you with templates you can reuse and videos explaining everything I've done and how to use it all. And you even get a week of my support following the setup, so you aren't left with a system you don't know how to use. So looking back, it's been incredible to see how far I've come with Asana. What started as a simple tool for content planning has become the foundation of my business. And here's what I want you to take away. If I can do this, so can you. I wasn't an expert when I started. I was just someone trying to make sense of a new tool, one step at a time. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. And the journey doesn't stop here. I'm always looking for new ways to use Asana, create better systems, and help more people. Whether it's through my services or templates, or through my YouTube channel, I'm excited to see where this path takes me next. And that's my Asana timeline. From a chance discovery to building a business around it, this journey has been unexpected, but so rewarding. I'd love to know which part of my story resonated with you the most. Let me know in the comments or any other questions you have for me. All right, and if you want more insight into how I run my business with Asana, you can click here to watch this video next. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.